Okay, let's run the experiment where we are comparing the effect of the ratios of the reactants on the chemical reaction, what we see from the chemical reaction. So in part one, we're going to use excess vinegar, and in part two, we'll use excess baking soda, and we'll compare those two reactions. So let me start. Like always, I'll just start the reaction, or start the experiment. I won't finish it. I'll let you finish it. So I'll just set up part one for you, and then you can take it from there. So part one, lots of vinegar, 28 grams of vinegar. Measure out the vinegar, place a cup on a mass scale and zero the scale. So I'm going to turn my mass balance on, place the cup on the mass balance, tare it, so it should say 0 grams. Now I want to put in 28 grams of vinegar, 19, and this does not have to be exact, we're just getting a sense of what happens if you put in excess vinegar. So that's 28.8 grams, that's fine. Set this aside. Now measure out the baking soda. So I'm on step 2A, place the weigh boat on the scale and zero it. So that's tare it. And then I'm going to put in 1 gram of baking soda. And like 1.1 grams. Totally okay. Okay. So step 3, I won't go all the way through step 3, is place the cup of vinegar on a tray or pie plate, pie tin, if you have it, to prevent any spillage if it does spill. And pour the baking soda into the cup and observe the reaction. So take the baking soda and just pour it into the cup with the vinegar and observe the reaction. You can record whatever you see in a data table that you can make in your notes. Don't forget, you should wait until the reaction is finished. This is 3B. And observe what the leftovers are. This is the key thing to observe, is what the leftovers are. So what do you see? Do you smell anything? Vinegar has a very distinct odor. Good, smell it. Do you still smell the same strength of the odor of vinegar? Again, record these observations in your data table, and do steps 4 and 5. There's interesting things to conclude from steps 4 and 5. So after this has reacted, step 4 says just take a small pinch of baking soda, drop it in, see if it reacts or not. Step 5 says take a small, just drop or 2 drops of vinegar with your pipette, drop it in, and see if it reacts or not. Okay, that's the lab video. I'll let you take it from here, and I'll see you in the landing video.